Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and Butternut AI. So to get started with a quick overview, Pineapple Builder is a AI-powered platform designed to help solopreneur and a small startup create landing page and one-pager quickly. It focuses on speed, simplicity, and lead generation, offering a built-in form and analytics with a clean, mobile-optimized design. And talking about the Butternut AI, it's another AI website build that emphasizes speed, automation, generating a complete site from just a business description. It's designed for micro businesses and creators who want a minimal functional web presence in seconds. I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for. They are each perspective. They are what they are very good at. So talking about what these two platforms are good at. So starting with Pineapple is good at freelancers and startup needing a simple landing page with built-in lead tools. Then talking about Butternut AI is good for solopreneur creator who want a live website in under a minute. And here's the final conclusion about this platform. So you can simply go for Pineapple Builder if you need a more published and functional landing page with lead generation features and a better control. And on the other side, if you want to go live instantly with a minimal input, especially for quick personal project or MVPs, just go for Butternut AI. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these AI platform will be the best and the game changer to you. Thanks.